Hello everyone, this is Rishi Mishra. I am really very happy about the successful completion of task 1 given by Sparks Foundation as a data science and business intern. In this task, the problem statement is that I have to create a supervised machine learning model to predict the percentage of a student based on his number of study hours per day. And then we have to predict the score of a student if he studies for 9.25 hours per day. So for this, the data set I used is given at this link. Then I have imported the basic required libraries for this purpose, such as pandas, numpy, matplotlib. Pandas for its functionality like importing dataset, numpy for performing calculations and creating a data frame, etc. Matplotlib for plotting the graph. Then I have used the read CSV functionality of pandas to import the dataset and stored the values of the dataset in the data underscore set variable. Then I have shown the first 5 rows of the dataset. Here hours and our dataset has basically 2 columns, hours and scores, and these are their values. Then I have checked if there are any null values present in our dataset using the isNull function. Here it shows that hours column has 0 null values and scores column has also 0 null values. D type here it states that the data type of both the column is int64. Then I have printed the shape of the dataset, which basically shows the number of rows and number of columns present in our data set. So there are 25 rows in our data set and 2 columns in our data set. They are hours and scores. Then I have visualized the data set to get its insight. For this I have used the plot functionality of matplotlib. I have given hours as x and y as scores. Then I have shown the title of the graph as hours versus percentage. Then I have printed the x label of the graph as hours studies, which is shown here. Then I have printed the y label of the graph, percentage score, which is shown here. Then I have simply plotted the graph using plt.show. Then I have divided the dataset into two variables, independent and dependent variable, in order to implement our algorithm. So I have stored the independent variable in so I have used the ilog functionality to divide the dataset into two variables, and then I have stored the independent variable values in x variable and dependent variable values in y variable. So here basically r is our independent variable and score is our dependent variable, whose value will depend on a number of hours. Then I have splitted the data set by using scikit-learn's built-in function train test split. Here I have given the test size as 0.3. What it basically does is that it divides our data set into two parts, testing and training data set. Since the testing data set since the testing dataset will contain minimum proportion of values of our dataset, so here I have given the test size ratio as 0.3. So 30% of the values of our dataset will be stored in the test dataset, and 70% of the values of the dataset will be stored in the training dataset. Then in order to implement our model, we have to train our model. So I have trained the model using linear regression. So I have created the object of the linear regression, and then I have used the fit functionality of linear regression to train our model. Here I have passed the x train and y train on which we have to train our model. Then I have simply plotted the regression line for the test data, which is shown like this. Then I have predicted the values of y and stored it in ybrid using the predict functionality. of linear regression class. Then in order to see if there is any difference between actual values and predicted values, I have created a data frame and printed the actual values of a score and predicted values of a score. So here are actual values, and these are predicted values. Then I have calculated the accuracy of the model using the R2 score functionality of metrics. So here accuracy comes out to be 95%. Then I have then in the problem statement it was asked that we have to predict the score of a student who studies for 9.25 hours per day. For this I have used the predict functionality of the linear regression class and passed hours as its values to predict its score. So here score comes out to be 92.91%. Thank you.